is David, and I need help because my car won't want to start. And first of all, I want to say that Cinnamon Toast Crunch is the best. And if you guys want some during this video, you're gonna have to go get your own, alright? So, with that being said, my car has a problem starting. When I go to turn in the clutch and start it, and this is what it does. It doesn't do anything. And I know it's not the battery because the radio comes on. See, look. And I got a pretty good sound system in the back. I got a couple 15s, and it just, doesn't seem like it's batteries. The lights will come on and everything just fine. Highlights and all that. And, for some reason I just can't seem to understand what it is. When I'm going to turn it on, it doesn't do nothing. So if somebody can please help. I know it's not the battery. I don't think it's the starter. I switched the main relay down there, and I just don't know what it is, dude. I'm super scared, and I need to go to work and shit, and I'm just trying to make the time go by eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I'm running out. So could somebody please help me? I would appreciate it. Alright? Help me out. Somebody out there. I'm scared.